welcome to my health channel. You're here because maybe you want to watch videos about mental health, maybe you want to hear my story about epilepsy, maybe you're here to watch videos of recipes on how to make the most delicious vegan food, because when I make my food, it's always delicious. Now, if you're here for videos about mental health, then you're going to get content like me talking about my struggles with depression and suicidal thoughts. You're going to get me talking about certain things regarding mental health. You're going to get me trying to add to the conversation of mental health, because honestly, talking about mental health is important. If you're here to watch videos on epilepsy, you're going to be getting content about my story. You're going to get content about talking about different things like stigmas about epilepsy, different things that you should do when a person is having a seizure, different things that you should do if you just started having seizures and you want to know if you have auras, or certain things that you should do to make your surroundings as safe as possible. If you're here to watch videos of vegan recipes, then you're going to get things that are not just salads, because not all vegans eat salads. You're going to get content like me making homemade vegan burgers with the things I have in my fridge. You're going to get content about different information that I have learned about the different food I eat and what kind of nutrients that they give to you. You're going to learn about the different ways to cook things so that it can taste like different things. So if you miss something like meat or fish, then I can help you to cook certain foods so that it tastes like meat or fish, but it is in fact plant-based. You're also going to be learning about the different health benefits of being vegan, different changes that you can gradually make to start your life as a vegan. Now, if you like that, please come back for more. Like, subscribe, and be sure to tell your friends. I swear it's not short. Be sure to check out my other channels, my comedy channel and my vlog channel. My comedy channel for more laughs on Thursdays, and my vlog channel to see what I'm up to every day. I love you guys so much. Mwah!